everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name is James and today we're doing another monthly running session. Today's theme I'll be going with, well, another Network Southeast running session because I haven't done one of them for a little while. So first up we've got my class at 50 who's pulling a nice long rake of Network Southeast decoders, and I've got my new 419 on the outside line just doing its normal multiple unit things. So let's quickly send them off. There we go. Get that to a nice happy speed. Yeah, that seems to be doing well. And 90, class 50 I mean. Let's get that to a nice speed as well. Be a bit faster than that. Just make sure they're both happily going round. And I'll get round to turning on the signals when I get the battery out. But yeah, since I haven't got too many Network Southeast models, it won't be all that long of a running session. I will try to get 3 or 4 minutes of each bit, and maybe a little surprise in the middle because I have been trying to get something working. So yes, they seem to be happy enough. So yeah, I do hope you enjoyed the running session. If you do feel free to let me know of any suggestions for next time. I'm not entirely sure exactly what I'll be running next time because maybe a bit out of ideas, but yes. We'll have a look at that one. But yeah. Hope you enjoyed the running session. Do feel free to like, comment and subscribe if you want to. If you're not, or if you don't like the video, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. But otherwise, hope you enjoy it, and yeah, I'll see you next time. So take care now. Bye bye.